some words.
Sorry? White paper?
White paper. You see white paper. That's some writing. The rest of you, what do you see?
Some
A
words.
complete project.
Hard work,
A complete project.
complete project, some more
Teamwork.
teamwork. we
All
go.
together.
Bonding.
All together bonding. Wow.
Something
Wow.
unitedly we achieve.
Fuyo. Wow. They are seeing things which are not here. Wow. Do you see your name?
No.
No, you don't see your name anymore. Yeah? We in the company is like that. We're just part of the organization.
I can see my name.
Full name?
Full name.
No.
Joy. Good joy.
What? This one.
Good joy.
Which one? Which one? Where?
We can see Parvo.
Where? This one. Okay. This one. Okay.
Parvo only.
I say Rabo. The point is this. In Coca-Cola, we're just part of the organization. Our identity is not there anymore. Our names are not there anymore. So don't be so proud of your name. You're just part of the organization. He's so proud of his name. If you turn this around, do you see your position in the company? No, you don't see. So don't be so proud of your designation. Yeah? You may be assistant manager, you may be manager, executive, so what? You're just part of the organization. Yes or no?
Yes.
The point is everybody important?
Yes.
Yes. Everybody important. Let's say this. What's your name? Parvod. Let's say Parvod here always come late. Example. What will happen to the organization? What will happen to this man? If Parvod here always comes late.
That position I think is too twisted, no?
Backup is there. sir.
Backup is there.
Backup is
What
there.
is this? If person, our friend here, keeps coming in late to the company, coming in late to work, what will happen to the man?
Whole company. Fully.
What will happen to the man?
Nothing that much will happen.
What will happen? Nothing much will happen. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Gap create.
What will happen?
There will
There will be a gap. Because of one person, there will be a gap. Example.
Yeah, I got it.
Because of one person who doesn't play his role, the whole company goes down the drain. Because of one person, there will be a safety hazard. Because of one person, you won't get your bonus. So you must do something about this one. You will help, you coach, to bring them back to the normal road. You are now talking in the second day, yeah? Let's say our brother here, we coach him, we train him, we counsel him, but he still wants to follow his head. He still wants to do his own thing. He still wants to come in late. What should we do about him?
We need to replace.
Right, you tell him to get another job. Because of him, we suffer.
Can we bangaw him?
Don't
On
bangaw him. That's the point. You don't bangaw him. Because bangaw him will sound like this. Oh, I couldn't get the assignment done on time because he came late. That's bangawing.
Excuse.
So to stop bangawing is to be responsible. Responsible means what? Action means do something. You coach him, you train him, you counsel him, you press, smash him. But if he doesn't want to listen, you tell him to get another job because that's your responsibility. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
I saw you doing this just now. Getting it close together. Why? Why are you doing that?
It will be stronger.
When you are close, you are strong.
Stronger.
Yes?
Yes.
You become beautiful. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? What makes you come close? You hold hands all the time, is it? What makes you come close?
Responsibility.
You what?
When
You talk, you communicate, you salam mesra. The more you communicate, the closer you get. The less you communicate, there will be gaps. Gaps on this map, in reality, it means assumptions. You start to have assumptions with one another. The less you communicate, the more the gaps. The more you communicate, the less the gaps. So always communicate with one another. Now question, some of us are in the factory, some of us are here, some of us are on the road. Yeah? How do you communicate? When do you communicate? How do you communicate? Over phone, send a message, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Yeah? Ask them, how are you? Are you still alive? What's your bangau today? You must communicate often. Sometimes some of you, only when there's a crisis like this, only then do you meet. Oh, you're still alive. The last time we met was 3 years ago. Oh, you're still alive. No. Don't wait for an event like this, then you want to ask about one another. You must, yeah? You must talk and communicate with everybody all the time, even if it means just sending a message a day to somebody, so that you know they're still alive. Because who choose to be in this family?
Me.
Where is the heaven?
Where is the man?
Come on. Are we there? Emma.
My phone.
No, it's not mine.
His one is the PP.
Yeah, very. Which one is better? Which one is better? Solat Jamaat or Solat alone?
Jamaat is better.
The Jamaat is better. This is your Jamaat. Coca-Cola is your Jamaat. When you Solat Jamaat, you go into the soft, the lines. Yes or no?
Yes.
Every day you go to work, you go into your lines, your specializations. Some of you are commercial, some of you are sales, some of you are finance, some of you are production. You go into your soft, your lines, every day. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's say the person next to you, he and you, the line is not straight. What should you do about him? Make him straight. You coach him, you train him, you pull him, you encourage him, you praise, smash him. But let's say he has other ideas, he still doesn't follow you. What should you do about him? Tell him to take the soft with the kids behind. Same thing. Now here's the point. When you Salat Jamaat, you make sure your legs are in line. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you're in Coca-Cola, you make sure that your hearts are in line.
Right.
Hearts in line means you always think positive of one another. You don't think negative of one another. And when I say think positive, you think positive first. Not think positive all the time. If you think positive all the time, when you're crossing the road, you see the lorry come, never mind, they will stop. You think positive first. After all the positiveness, you see negative. But you think positive first. Because if you don't start to think positive of the people around you, you don't take care of your heart, your hearts are not in line, then it's time to move on. Find another heart. Find another life. But since you choose to be in this life, this family, you better get your hearts in line. Always communicate, always talk, always smile to one another. Because whose choice? Hand here. Whose choice?
My choice.
Will you have problems? Yes. No problem, no?
Fine.
Every problem has a
solution.
Every solution begins with who?
Me.
With whom?
Me.
Whose choice?
My choice.
So stop bangawing. Say loudly.
Stop bangawing.
Go to the person next to you.
Stop
Say.
bangawing.
Stop bangawing.
Stop bangawing.
Some of you just now, I saw, some of you just now, you were so busy here. And then some of you, because everybody is there, so there's no space, they stand here. Some of them standing on the chair looking. So you see, their body cannot be with them, but their spirit is with them.
Yes.
Yes? But some of you, body and spirit having side discussion somewhere. Huh? Yeah? Body and spirit somewhere else. How are you ever going to be in the right frame? Because you are Coca-Cola. And Coca-Cola must stick together. Yes or no?
Yes.
So stop bangga. Say loud, Lin. And to the person next to you. Say,
Stop.
Put your right hand up, right hand up. Put your right hand on the shoulder of the person.